working at a level 0. Luis is writing at a level 0 voice. About 1 more minute. Finish writing the objective and then quiet thinking on the do now. Alright, let's get some participation going. Quick reminder, put on inside the classroom. Not allowed in the building, so remove them, please. Alright, which shape does not belong? Brian, what do you think? Shape D doesn't belong because it's got dimes, none.
Shape D doesn't belong because the rest of the lines are silver.
Alright, so the rest of them are silver. Shape B, maybe not that color. Fred?
Shape C doesn't belong because it's the only piece of shape.
Oh, okay, because it's the only one that has 1 in it. There.
Shape A, E, B does not belong because they are equal.
Okay, because they're equal. Those ones are equal. Cool. Vanessa?
Shape D doesn't belong because when you add all the dimes together, it makes 46. And that's the most money out of all of them.
Okay, so when you actually think about the value of those coins together, it's the highest value for shape D, so it doesn't belong. What else? There were way more hands up in the beginning. Did we just get like repeat ideas or what?
Yes.
Okay, one last one out of that.
Shape A and D. No, shape C doesn't belong because it's the least amount and wait, no, I forgot.
Okay. All right, you were on the start there, Brian. Yeah. Yes.
Shape C doesn't belong because is that a quarter?
I think it is a quarter. Yeah, it's weird color. Okay, so maybe having to do with the value of the coin. Julie. Shape C doesn't belong because it's all by itself. All right, awesome. Thank you. Moving on to our objective for the day. Like always, we are going to choral read. Anything we don't know how to say?
No.
Nope. All right. Everybody, keep pace. Put your eyes on the student's will. All together. Ready? And read.
Students will explain how to solve one-step equations to find their matching solution using math vocabulary and the language of exclamation.
Thank you. Good job. All right. So, things that we are doing today with our objective. Anyone talking, please stop. It's a level 0 expectation right now. All right. So, we, at the end, will be doing a lot of explaining, as you know, through our sentence frame and our math vocabulary, okay? Using math vocabulary and the language of explanation, right? The math that we'll be working on is not brand new. We're still doing a review today, okay? So we're going to go back to kind of our expressions and equations unit when we did one-step equations and finding their solution, okay? We're finding matching solutions because we're playing a memory game, all right? So at the end of, or throughout the day and at the end of the lesson, we will be able to explain how to find those solutions from equations using our math vocabulary and our sentence frame. All right, so who's going to read it for us? I need more bravery, more participation. All right, sentence frame, Corey.
I blame and blame it.
It all makes sense when we do it.
In order to solve the equation, the solution is
Okay, as I do our launch problem, I'll be kind of filling this in for you and modeling it for you, okay? So, an important word, it's kind of a lot today. So, we're only using addition equations today, so that's why we have addition and subtraction, okay? And then other words that are important, opposite.
Opposite.
Operation.
Operation.
Fact family.
Fact family.
Variable.
Variable.
And isolated.
Isolated.
Which means
By itself.
Good.
By itself.
Yes.
All
right. We're ready for our launch. So I need our go-rows to bring their math notebook and a pencil and get to the carpet super speedy. Let's go. All right, she just set the carpet quickly, quietly. Yes. Oh, yes, thank you. Everybody write down first problem.
Yeah, I'm not showing you.
Careful there.
No, I'm not showing you.
This is in the way.
How come?
Okay, I know, they're pretty easy. Alright, everybody have the first one written down?
Yeah.
Alright, just as a reminder, I'm going to teach you this one. It's not the first time we've learned it, so I'm kind of reteaching it to you, okay? My expectation during the time that I'm teaching it, what, do you know the answers already? Okay, don't worry, I know, it's easy. My expectation while I am showing you and modeling how to do this is that you're at a level 0, paying attention, which means taking notes consistently and listening, okay? All right, so, who remembers? Let's see. Thinking about our math vocabulary, that's kind of hints for what strategy we're using. So there's a certain one, it's a 2-word phrase that we're going to be using today. Because I know these are easy numbers, you see it already. But what is our strategy that we use in order to really understand how to do this? Julie? Yes, we're using fact family. So, when I've got this variable, x plus 12 equals 34, I am going to create the rest of the fact family. Okay? I'm going to create the rest of the fact family. Alright, so I've got x plus 12 equals 34. I need to flip these and have 12 plus x equals 34. Alright, who do I see note taking? Jordan's taking notes. And then, the other 2 addition ones, the opposite of addition is subtraction. So I need to move those numbers around to have my 2 subtractions.
34 minus x equals
Yes, Brad, quiet please, I've asked for a level 0. Alright, so we know I'm going to do 34 minus x equals 12. And I need to flip these and do 34 minus 12 equals x. Okay, so far I created an entire fact family with my equation. I also need to pick, I need to pick which one of these has the, variable isolated or by itself? So who can see? 1, 2, 3, or 4. Which one has the variable isolated or by itself? Maybe? The last one. I did that on purpose, right? Okay. Now we can do 34 minus 12. 22. And we know our solution is, the solution is x equals 22. Not just 22, say it with the variable as well. X equals 22. Is that math right? 34 minus 12?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, using our sentence frame, I'm going to have you kind of do a practice round. This is the first one of the day, so I'm not expecting perfection yet. By the end, yes. But for now, we're doing a practice round, okay? Does everybody have this written down?
Yes.
Okay, because I'm going to erase it and go back to our sentence frame slide so that you can see that better.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so here comes our first opportunity for practicing our sentence frame, okay? With the problem, the launch problem we just did, you are going to turn to the person next to you. The person with the longest or longer hair will be sharing first. You're going to start right in on kind of 2 steps. If you need to add a 3rd step in here, I blank, blank, and blank. That's fine. In order to solve the equation, the solution is blank. Okay? Using our words, just like I just did when I taught it. Got it? What did I say, shorter or longer?
Longer.
Longer hair shares first. About 2 minutes, 1 for each partner. Turn and talk, go. The one that we just did on our
I use fact families and use the variable words isolated in order to solve
No, don't make it louder, man.
All right, bring your conversation to a close in 5, 4, 3, 2. That's not a 2. That's a 2. And like you just were before, when you were naturally done, conversation to close in 1. All right, remember, practice round. Not expecting quite perfection yet, but let's see if you feel comfortable with sharing at this point. Eventually, you will be called on with popsicle sticks, okay? Jonathan, how do you figure it out?
I play the track family of the equation, and I subtract in order to solve this equation. This shape is 22.
X equals 22, okay? Remember to include that variable in there. Good job. All right, Fred, one more.
I used fact families and isolated the variable words by itself
There we go.
and subtracted it in order to solve the equation. The solution is x equals 22.
All right, good. I noticed in Jonathan's and Fred's, they used a ton of our academic language. Jonathan was telling us that he subtracted to find the answer. They both said that they were creating fact families, right? And then Fred added in that he was isolating the variable. That's a really important step, okay? Questions on that?
No.
All right, so we are going to move on to our setup, which is messed up. Okay, so these blue ones are just the cards, all right? So you're going to cut out the equation card pages, and then you just go in a pile right here, okay? Because that's what you're going to pick from, equation, pile, okay? And you're going to cut out the solutions but they get set up in an array. In a what?
Array!
Yeah.
That's the first multiplication strategy we know.
Yes, we know arrays for multiplication. So just rows and columns, okay? Like the picture was attempting to show. Alright? We're going to set up first and then I'll show you how to play. Alright, go. Yes, arrays for Corey. You may pass out scissors.
Array looks like an array.
You are an array. Hello. Oh, I was saying.
You might want to leave some space on your desk to set up the solution array.
Where's my kid?
What's it? I'll get you everyone's here. I'll leave some. I can't cut.
You're not Vanessa, are you?
Thank you, so that we don't have to wait. I see Sophie and Gracia cutting out the items immediately. She and Luis are cutting out their equation and their solution cards.
Use your